Hello, hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to crochet a mini pineapple earrings, or you can make with the help of this pattern a mini pineapple keychain. For this I took an yellow color yarn and I took a 2.5 mm hook. For round 1 you need to make a chain of 5. Into the second stitch of the hook you need to make 1 single crochet. I need to insert 1 single crochet in the next 3 stitches. After completion of round 2 you need to make a chain of 1 and turn the project. Every time you need to make a chain 1 and turn the project. For round 3 you need to insert 2 single crochet into the first stitch and into the next stitch you need to do 1 single crochet. Into the next stitch you need to do 1 more single crochet. Into the last stitch you need to do 2 single crochets into the same stitch. You need to make a chain 1 and turn the project. For round 4 to round 7 you need to do 1 single crochet in each stitch till the row end. This is the completion of round 4. You need to make a chain 1 and turn the project, and you need to do 1 single crochet in each of the next stitches in round 5. You need to chain 1 and do 1 single crochet in each of the next stitches in round 6. Chain 1 and turn the project, and in the round 7 you need to do 1 single crochet in each of the next stitches. Chain 1 and turn the project. For round 8 you need to do a decrease in the next 2 stitches. For decrease you need to insert the hook in the back loop of the first stitch and back loop of the next stitch and do a yarn over and pull through the 2 loops, and again do a yarn over and pull to the 2 loops. This is called a decrease. You need to decrease in the next 2 stitches. Again, insert the hook in the back loop of the next stitch . You need to do a decrease in the last 2 stitches also. chain 1, return the project. You need to do 1 single crochet in each stitch till the row end. You need to cut a yarn tail and secure the ends of the pineapple bottle. Take a green color yarn with the help of a slip stitch. Attach the green color yarn on top of the pineapple bottle. Round 2, you need to make a chain of 4 and you need to skip 1 chain and slip stitch in the remaining 3 chains. In the remaining 3 chains, you need to do a slip stitch. And you need to do a slip stitch in the same stitch at the starting of the next. You need to make a chain of 6 and you need to skip 1 stitch and you need to do slip stitch in the next remaining 5 chains. Do slip stitch in each of the next 5 chains. In next stitch, you need to do a slip stitch. Next, you need to do a chain of 8. Skip 1 stitch and make slip stitch in the next remaining 4 chains. Next, make a chain 6. Skip 1 chain and slip stitch in the remaining 5 chains. Slip stitch in the next stitch and make a chain of 4. Skip 1 chain and slip stitch in the remaining 3 chains. and slip stitch in the next stitch. Cut the yarn tail and sew the ends with the yarn needle. Attach a keychain or fish hooks of your choice. You can make a keychain with the help of this pattern, or you can make earrings with the help of this pattern. Hope you like this pattern. If you like this pattern, please do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.